Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to the online class. So, now we will start the revision. Okay. So, the first unit again we will revise this unit, that is the human body. So, we will read about the human body. So, dear students, you know well that the human body is like a wonderful machine. Why it is called a machine? Because our body perform all the function automatically, and being humans we can perform each and every task as faster as we can, and that is why it is said that a body is a wonderful machine. So the bones and muscles together make the body move. Both are needed to make the body walk, run, jump, or perform any other motion that the body is capable of. Let us first see how human body is made up of. So the human body is made up of cells. Living organisms are made up of small structures called cells. The cells is the basic structure unit of a living organism. Cells are very small that cannot be seen with naked eyes. They can be seen only through a microscope. So when the same cells are work together, they make a tissue, and tissue form an organ. So what is tissue? When the same cells work together, they make a tissue, and the tissue form a organs. Tissue combine together to form larger units which are called organs. Examples are stomach, intestine, liver, intestine, kidneys, heart. So they are the examples of organs. Okay, so these organs carry out different function inside the body. When different organs work together, they make an organ system. So dear students, you already read about the organs, that we have 5 sense organs. Why do you think you are able to see, hear, feel, taste and smell? It's because of senses. So the 5 senses are sight, smell, taste, touch and hearing. Okay, so these are our sense organs, that is the eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. And the senses are sight. So eyes are used for sight, nose is used for smell, tongue is used for taste, and skin is used for touch, and the ears are used for hearing. You can also see in this picture, our senses allow us to understand and observe the world around us. They help to keep us safe from danger. So first come to the eyes. Eyes help us to see the objects around us. Eyelids protect the eyes from external danger. Okay. So eyes क्या करती हैं? It help us to see the things. हमारे इर्द गिर्द जितनी भी चीज़ें हैं, we can see them from with the help of our eyes. Okay. So eyelashes prevent dust from entering our eyes. So the next one is ears. Ears are the organs which help us to hear the sound created around us. The next one is nose. Nose help us to smell. And the fourth one is Tongue. The tongue is an organ of taste with taste buds on their surface, which help us to taste different types of foods. And the fifth sense organ is skin. So, with the help of skin, a human body is fully covered with smooth layer called the skin. The skin protects the organs inside the body. It is very important sense, okay? So these organs are also called external organs, and the organs which are present inside our body is called the internal organs, okay? So all these organs, for example, ear, eyes, nose, skin, these are the external organs, and inside the body the organs which are present inside our body is called the internal organs, such as brain. So the brain is inside our head. It is the organ that controlling everything that our body does. It is the control center of our body. It is protected by the skull, okay? So brain is protected by the skull. Our brain is always active when we sleep. It keeps us alive. Brain is divided into three parts. That is the cerebrum, cerebellum, and the third one is medulla. So the cerebrum is the biggest part of the brain. It controls our senses, memory, and thinking. The second major part is known as cerebellum. It controls our muscular activities. In muscular activities, we are using our muscles like jumping, walking, running, writing, etc. These activities are also called involuntary. These are also called voluntary actions, okay? So all these activities are called voluntary actions. The muscles which move when we want to move is called the voluntary muscles. The third part of the brain is called medulla. It controls the activity of our internal organs such as heart, stomach, kidneys, brain, etc. They are also called involuntary actions. The muscles which perform their functions automatically is called the involuntary actions, okay? So involuntary actions क्या है? वो मसल्स जिस तरह के हमारे बॉडी के इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल हार्ट, स्टमक, ब्रेन, किडनीज, ये सब अपनी मर्ज़ी से काम करते हैं, हमारी मर्ज़ी पर ये काम नहीं करते. सो दैट्स वाई दे आर कॉल्ड द इनवॉलंटरी मसल्स, ओके? और वो सब एक्शंस, वो सब फंक्शन जो हम अपनी मर्ज़ी से करते हैं, जैसे कि हम कोई भी मूवमेंट करते हैं जिसमें हम अपने मसल्स यूज़ करते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड द वॉलंटरी मसल्स. Clear? So similarly, brain controls all the systems and organs. The sense organs take information and send it to our brain so that we can be aware of our environment. When the different organs work together, they form different systems, right? So the first one is skeletal system. An adult has a 206 bones. When all these bones combine together, so make up the skeleton. This human body has a framework of bones called the skeletal system. The bones give the body a strong framework. They support the body and protect the parts inside. So you can also see in this picture different types of bones, okay? So you can see in this picture, the first one is called the skull, which protect the brain. Brain is very fleshy organ and it is protected by the skull, which is present in our head. So the next one is jawbone. The third is ribs. Ribs also our heart is protected. Heart is protected by the ribs. Okay, it is also called rib cage. Next one is upper arm bone, spine. Spine, our backbone is also called spine. Hip bone, lower arm bones, finger bones, जो हमारी फिंगर की बोन्स होती हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड द फिंगर बोन्स. थाई बोन्स इज आल्सो कॉल्ड द, इट इज़ द लार्जेस्ट बोन ऑफ आवर body. Okay, and it is the name of thigh bone is called femur. Knee bone, and this next one is heel and the toe bones. Okay, so the largest bone of our human body is called the femur, and the smallest bone in a human body is present in ear, which is called stirrup. Clear? So I hope you understand this topic well. So till to next online class, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.